Hello everyone, today's my topic is management accounting and its scope. First, I want to tell you about management accounting. What do you understand by management accounting? Management accounting is a branch of accounting. It's an important part of accounting, and management accounting provides various information to management for functioning it. In management accounting, various areas are covered in this accounting, such as cost accounting, financial accounting, inventory control, budgetary control, statistical control, etc. These are very helpful for business. So this is also known a tool of management or tool for management. It's very important accounting, and there are various scope of management accounting. We can say in a short-term planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, all the parts as a part of management accounting. Scope of accounting. There are a various vast scope of management accounting, and we can include some important parts such as financial accounting. Management accounting rearrange the information provided by financial accounting and provide the important information for all the users and management also. And cost accounting. In cost accounting, various cost analysis, cost control, cost reduction areas are included in this cost accounting. And budgetary control and inventory control. In budgetary control, how we prepare our budgets and how actual performance and estimated performance compare to each other, and the difference is known as variance, and to know about the reasons for this variance is known in budgetary control. Inventory control also comes in management accounting scope area. How we inventory control, we know about this in management accounting area. And revaluation accounting, it's also an important part of management accounting. How we our capital estimated as per the real basis, and profit also comes in this area. And statistical method, how we prepare our graph and how we present our information in graphical presentation, including this management accounting also. And interim reporting, there are various reporting including funds flow statement, cash flow statements, etc., including this area. Office administration, all the administration related to office also comes in this management accounting area. Taxation also comes in management scope area. Taxation is also an important part of this management accounting. How we prepare our accounts as per the tax, or how we return our returns, and what is the amount for tax we will pay also comes in this area. And internal audit also involved, and how we control this also comes in this management. Thank you.